Post-snowstorm, 2012, December, what? Almost the 20th, 18th? Pretty much all of this snow fell in the last 2 days, and it was soft and fluffy, but now it is just sticky, 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 and heavy, and it's about to rain. And the power just came back on. We were without electricity for about 18 hours. Luckily our wood stove kept us nice and toasty warm. It is very beautiful. As you can see, this is well stuck on this snow. It will fall off, but only reluctantly. And many trees are bent over, almost to the ground. Many are broken, obviously, and have landed on the power lines. Right, Poochie? You're not impressed, huh? You're not impressed, eh? Yuck, yuck, yuck. Oh, he's going for the French kiss. Go and jump! Go and jump! Come on! Yeah, okay, go and jump! Jump! Woohoo! You like some snow? Ah, say hello to Kale. Say hello, Kale. Okay, one more jump. Come on. Okay, go and jump. Jumping! Woohoo! What a good doggy. What a good doggy. Backyard. See, my wood is nice and